Hello everyone, my name is Minjun and I'll talk about the bridge to Terabithia. Background information. Jess Aarons is an 11-year-old boy living on a country farm with his parents, and there is a friend called Leslie. Jess and Leslie become friends and created an imaginary land called Terabithia, where they can go to forget about their problems. Catherine Patterson. Catherine Patterson is the author of more than 40 books, including 18 novels for children and young people. She has twice won the Newbery Medal for Bridge to Terabithia in 1978. Summary. Bridge to Terabithia is about Jess Aarons and Leslie Burke, two fifth graders who become friends and create an imaginary land called Terabithia, where they can go to forget about their problems. The books deal with themes for friendship, childhood, and being an individual. One day, Leslie had tried to swing into Terabithia, but the rope broke. She hit her head on something when she fell, which explains why the fact that she could swim did not help her. Jess denies it all point blank, accusing his father of lying to him. In particular, he wants to assure Mabel that it is a lie. And I'm going to introduce the characters of the book. Jess Aarons. Jess Aarons is an 11-year-old boy living on a country farm with his parents and 4 sisters. He rides the bus to the school with his younger sister, Mabel, where he avoids the school bully, Janice Avery. Jess is a king in Terabithia. Leslie Burke. Leslie moves to Lar Creek at the beginning of her and Jess's 5th grade year, and she stands out in shining contrast to the rest of the students. Her parents are highly educated and intellectuals. She is a queen in Terabithia. My opinion is, first, I prefer the movie more than the book. This is because the movie is easier to understand the story. Second, my favorite character is Leslie Burke because Leslie is kind to other people. Third, I like to read this book because I read this book excitingly. Thank you for listening to my presentation. Have a nice day.